has the power to change the world. It has the power to inspire. It has the power to unite people in a way that little else does. It speaks to youth in a language they understand. Sport can create hope where once there was only despair, says Nelson Mandela. A warm good morning, distinguished chief guest, principal, teachers, and my fellow friends. The International Day of Sport for Development and Peace is celebrated on 6th April every year. The day is created by the United Nations General Assembly on 23rd August 2013. The UN was supported by the International Olympic Committee. The day was first celebrated on 6th April 2014. This date commemorates the inauguration of the first Olympic Games of the modern era in Athens, Greece in 1896. The International Day of Sport for Development and Peace is an annual celebration of the power of sport to drive social change, community development, and foster peace and understanding. Sport has historically played an important role in all societies, be it in the form of competitive sport, physical activity, or play. Sport promotes team building, equality, inclusion, and perseverance. Sport and physical activity can also help us to get through in times of crises like pandemics, war, and communal riots. UNESCO is the United Nations lead agency for physical education and sport. UNESCO believes that sport is a powerful vehicle for social inclusion, gender equality, and youth empowerment. The values acquired in and through sport, such as fair play and team spirit, are invaluable to the whole society. The global theme of International Day of Sports for Development and Peace 2022 is Securing a Sustainable and Peaceful Future for All, the Contribution of Sport. The theme promotes the use of sport as a tool to advance human rights and sustainable development. It recognizes the role of sport in addressing the climate crisis. It will highlight actions to lower greenhouse gas emissions and mitigate against climate change. Sport is in a unique position to display leadership, engage in a climate-neutral journey, motivate action beyond the sporting sector, and play a major role in amplifying awareness among its millions of spectators, facilitators, and participants at all levels. Today, our world faces challenges from poverty and hunger to climate change to the COVID-19 pandemic to war and to communal riots. More than ever, we need to overcome our differences and unite as one team working together to tackle all these obstacles. Through sport, we need to create a safer, more peaceful, and more sustainable future for all. Thank you. Have a nice day.